Since it's the end of the year, let's end it on a lighthearted note. Here are 10 of the funniest things I've heard when teaching driving. Number 1, it's the student's first course, and I'm showing her how to adjust the mirrors. So I tell her, adjust the central mirror so that you see as much as possible from the back window, and adjust the side mirror so that you see just a little bit of the car, like the door handle of the back door. The next course, she's adjusting the central mirror and it's taking forever. So I ask her, is everything okay? And she says, well, I still don't see the door handle. Number 2, I'm explaining in class how to check tire pressure, and this student asks me, where are the tires exactly? Under the hood? Well, technically yes, because the hood is here and the tires are here. But no, not really under the hood. That's where the engine is, the transmission, and all that mechanical stuff, you know. Number 3, we're driving on the freeway, people are overtaking us, and the student asks me, are the people overtaking us going faster than us? Number 4, we're driving in a rich neighborhood and we pass by a huge house with 3 garages and some luxury cars in front. I say to my student, damn man, look at that house and look at all those cars. And the guy goes, yeah man, and he's lucky. He's got a bus stop right in front of the house. Yep, that guy definitely needs to take the bus. Number 5, again in class, I'm showing some kind of panel and this student asks me, is that panel over or under the street? Number 6, I'm asking this student to turn right and he keeps putting on the turn signal but not turning anywhere. So after a few intersections like that, I ask him, why aren't you turning? And he says, well, I thought that by putting on the flasher the car would turn by itself, no? Number 7, we're on a street where the police are doing a speed control operation and the student asks me, do the police still get paid if they don't hand out speeding tickets? Number 8, Mr. Yeah Dude. I had this student once that was the chillest guy in the whole universe. His reply to almost anything I tell him was, yeah dude. So one day we're exiting a parking lot and the guy never checks anything. There was this car coming from the left really fast, so I slam on the brakes and I tell him, man, you never even bothered to check anything. You nearly got us both killed there. His reply, yeah dude. Number 9, we're stopped at a red light and the student looks at the speedometer, all surprised and says, hey look, we're going at 0 miles per hour. Well, yes, we are at 0 miles per hour, but we're not going. And number 10, this last one, I don't know if it's funny or sad. This guy comes to the school on a Friday and wants an hour of practice because he has his driving exam on the next Monday. He's an immigrant, so immediately I think to myself, he's been driving for years in another country. He just wants an hour to learn about the laws and regulations here, which is not nearly enough, but anyways. So we get in the car, I give him the key, and he sits there with the key in his hand, staring at me with a confused look on his face. The guy had never touched a car in his life, and he wanted to go do an exam after an hour of practice. So there you go. Thanks for the views and comments this year again. Happy holidays to everybody, and have a beautiful 2020. And don't try to find any door handles in your central mirror. I'll see you in January with a series of videos on stops, so take care and see you soon.